GRAVASTAR is not afraid to produce technology that is considered quirky and distinctive. With a wide variety of products already in their lineup, they are hoping that their new Bluetooth speaker will captivate you and leave you wanting more. Introducing the GRAVASTAR SUPERNOVA Bluetooth speaker, a portable speaker with an impressive sci-fi design. Not only does this look unique, but this powerful speaker is packed with impressive features such as a long battery life, exceptional audio quality, and a mesmerizing light show. So with that said, let's see just how good this thing is and first start by unboxing it. GRAVASTAR has employed the mentality that a unique device like this deserves a premium unboxing experience, and they haven't let us down there. Although you don't get much in the box in terms of accessories, everything in the box is protected by a custom designed styrofoam that just adds to the overall experience. Inside the box you will find the instruction manual, a USB-A to USB-C charger and an auxiliary cord. As this is a Bluetooth speaker with its own internal batteries, it is pretty much ready from the box. The GRAVASTAR SUPERNOVA is an alluring wireless Bluetooth speaker that boasts this very futuristic aesthetic. Its light core is a standout feature, adding to its overall appeal. It is worth mentioning though that light core has a relatively low brightness level and can only illuminate a small area in a dark room. However, this is not its intended purpose. The device is designed to provide an audio and visually pleasing experience. And to be honest, you can't deny it does that very well. The physical structure of the device is in the form of a cylinder that stands on a base featuring 3 legs. As you can see upon closer inspection, the legs are seen to be foldable and have a distinct curved appearance that closely resembles that of a robotic spider. The lower half of each leg is fitted with an LED light that stretches just to under an inch in length. These LED strips provide a sleek and modern look to the device while also serving a practical purpose, such as illuminating its immediate surroundings. The legs are securely attached to the speaker and have a small rubber nubs placed on the ends to prevent slipping and scratching any of the surfaces. Such attention to detail like this from GRAVASTAR has resulted in this solid feeling device. It feels like a very premium speaker. I must commend the team behind this product for their meticulous attention to detail. The individual characteristics and add-ons are truly impressive. The main base, standing at just over 2 inches tall, features intricate sci-fi pipes and markings that elevate its overall appearance. The speakers are seamlessly integrated into the design as well, as on the front we have an elegantly housed small yet high-powered 0.5 inch high-frequency speaker. Truly every aspect of this product has been thoughtfully crafted to deliver an exceptional visual show. On the back we will find our USB-C port for charging, and for those that want a stable connection, we do have a 3.5mm auxiliary port. To operate, well, that couldn't have been made any simpler. On the top houses all of our buttons, volume, power, and activating and going through the light modes. It wouldn't be a sci-fi spider without some audio feedback.
Ready to pair.
In regards to battery life, this device boasts an impressive internal 3350 mAh battery. To give some context, if the volume is set just below 60%, it is possible to achieve a battery life of approximately 9 hours. This is quite impressive. Furthermore, since the device uses Type-C as its charging method, it can take advantage of fast charging, giving you a full charge in just under 3 hours. Thankfully, the SUPERNOVA is equipped with the latest version of 5.3 Bluetooth, and it connects to your devices swiftly. Not to mention, I've not noticed any dropouts. It has a total power output of 30 watts, making it quite loud. The majority of the audio emitted from this device is on the underside of the speaker, which somewhat creates an immersive feeling as the audio waves vibrate through the holding surface. When it comes to selecting the ideal volume for a room of an average size, I recommend setting it to around 40 to 50%, as this produces a sufficiently loud sound. This speaker boasts an exceptional quality and is equipped with a balanced audio output that leans towards a warm bass, which is achieved by pushing the mids and lows downwards. Furthermore, the higher frequency sounds are projected out towards the listener through the front, and despite coming from a smaller speaker, it blends in perfectly with the lower and mid-frequency ranges. Additionally, the sound bounces off the desk in a pleasant and harmonious manner, furthermore enhancing the overall listening experience. In my opinion, the main focus of the GRAVASTAR Supernova is its head-turning design. The light effect is a fun feature that does just add to the overall sci-fi feel, but thankfully this isn't all just a wasted gimmick, as I can't deny that the sound quality is simply fantastic. For those looking for a unique speaker that not only looks good but delivers great audio, I can't recommend this enough. Be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.